back to my channel. It's your girl Nunie, back again with another video. And today's video is a wig review slash how I install my wigs. And here it is, so y'all can see. But yeah, so if you want to see how I achieved this look, please stay tuned. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's get into the video. I'm not going to hold y'all no longer.
It's Empire, it's Empire, it's Empire, it's Empire. Todd, can you play that again? Todd, can you play that again?
Arching your back, 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 arching your back.
It's Empire, it's Empire, it's Empire, it's Empire. Todd, can you play that again? Todd, can you play that again?
Arching your back, 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 arching your back.
It's Empire, it's Empire, it's Empire, it's Empire. Todd, can you play that again? Ty, can you play that again?
Arching your back, 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 arching your back.
It's Empire. It's Empire. It's Empire. It's Empire. Ty, can you play that again? Ty, can you play that again?
Arching your back, 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 arching your back.
It's Empire. It's Empire. It's Empire. It's Empire. Ty, can you play that again? Ty, can you play that again?
Arching your back, 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 arching your back.
Installing it, but you know, here it is. Here it is. And if you made it this far, it's time to get to the review. So I'm not gonna hold y'all no longer. Okay, we finna get into it. I ordered my hair off of AliExpress, and I ordered from the hair company AliCoco. And this is what the box looks like. Can Can y'all see? Yeah. So this is what the box looks like. And then there's nothing on the back. But and then also everything that I used in my video, I'm gonna put it in the description box as well. I got y'all. I'm gonna put y'all on. I got 180 density. This is a 13x4 wig and it's 26 inches. When you first open the box, so obviously the wig, this comes inside the wig and then the hairnet covers the wig or whatever. So, and then it came in this bag. And then they gave me some really cute lashes, like, focus. They gave me some really cute lashes. Like, these lashes do not look cheap. Like, you know, y'all know which lashes I'm talking about. Like, they don't look cheap. Shipping kind of took a little bit long. I would say that was like the only thing, but I mean, we're in quarantine, so hey, I didn't really the sellers responded fast, like, because I was like, you know, where is my wig? Because it was kind of, you know, it had been some time, so I had asked them, like, you know, is everything okay with my wig? Like, I need to know what's going on. And like, they had let me know, like, they were, you know, trying to fit it to my liking. They were making sure that everything was you know, tip-top shape with the wigs. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to y'all because I'm about to tell y'all the truth. So when I unpacked the wig and like I went to, you know, look at it right out the box, first thing was the smell. The smell was horrendous, and I'm not exaggerating. The smell of the wig, it smelled so bad. Not to mention there was a dead spider. Yes, there was a dead spider in my wig, and so immediately I washed the wig. You should always wash your wigs. I know for me personally, that's what I do. Like, every time I receive a wig, before I put it on, I wash it. Just because all the chemicals and everything, and like the factories, like you don't know. When the wig is wet, it is kind of hard to detangle, but I mean, hey, 26 inches is a lot of hair. So, and it's very full. Like, sis is full. She's full. Like, it's so flowy, like effortless, stiff wear. I don't know, I really like it though. This hair is hot. Like, I already know, like, I'm about to be putting it up a lot. Okay, y'all, so my camera died, so I'm filming on my phone. So the wig was pre-plucked, which I really did like that. It came with an elastic band already inside of it, which saved me the trouble, because I do not like having to sew it in myself. So they saved me the trouble of that. And like, the hair is like super soft and light, and I love how the colors like complement each other. She's beautiful. Sis is beautiful. So I'm giving credit where credit is due. And even though the wig was like already pre-plucked, I plucked it a little bit more to my liking. She's about to have so much fun. Thank you guys for tuning into the video. I really do appreciate y'all watching and supporting me. And subscribe to the channel. We lit over here. And I'm about to be dropping more frequently because I had to invest in myself. So, you know, I'm about to be popping out content. So I hope you're ready for that. And make sure you follow my social media for updates as well. And stay tuned for the next video. I love you guys so much.